this next picture, another picture of it from the top side. Again, taken early October. More leaves are getting into it, and again, there's no spider in sight. And here we're getting into mid-October, early to mid-October, and again, the web is getting very destroyed. Here's another picture. And no spider in sight. Web's just getting very deteriorated. This is the other side of the web. And last but not least, this picture, I decided to look inside its quote-unquote hide, as the Toronto Zoo document calls it. And this in particular is very interesting. This is where I was looking, doing some research online, and he said that most of the egg sacs were placed in this hide. So I decided, without disturbing it too much, that's why the picture is a bit fuzzy, but without disturbing it too much, to take a picture of this, the egg sacs, and you can see a distinct egg sac there. And I tried taking another picture. It was way too fuzzy, but there's one actually behind it as well, so 2 different egg sacs, which is pretty cool. Again, this is stuff I did not know. These have a 1-year life cycle, but other species inside the same family actually have a 7-year life cycle. And again, some of these species do reside in Ontario, but this particular species of spider actually has a 1-year life cycle. So usually they say within the first frost, or even before the first frost, these spiders die out. So it looks like that's what happened to my poor subject over here, but it was definitely a great learning experience. What I used to record my observations every day was I used a little program called Evernote, and it's really cool because with this Evernote program you can use it from like a smartphone or a tablet or even a computer, and you can take pictures and it will store it in a note file or a little workbook kind of file. And it's really useful because you can take pictures, you can take audio, you can write stuff down, you can draw things as well, and it all saves it in the type of notebook, again dated and everything, and it's all in one little kind of program, so you can one click open it up. And that's what I used. I used my smartphone, and I just took pictures of each every day I was out there, and sometimes I did a little bit of audio. Sometimes I just tried different things just to see its capabilities, and it just astounded me. And it's a great resource to use if you are doing an observation style ecological diary, for instance. And you can sync it up and share it with other people, which I find very useful, especially getting your content out there. And you can probably even like upload it to a server on the school you're at, and get all of your students to do that, so that as a teacher you can just even assess them throughout their research project. See, hey, this is how you can improve. So it makes for a great formative assessment midway through their project. As for using this photoecological diary project in the classroom, you can use it for just about any class. Every class has some sort of scientific investigation skill as part of their strand, and you can definitely use this as to fulfill that. I mean, this is the essence of scientific investigation, and if you get kids thinking, you can get them thinking about just about any subject, whatever your unit covers. But basically it'll cover all those expectations and then some. What I really like about this project is that it gets students, and it got me thinking as well. And it's very engaging as well, because the student actually gets to choose something that he or she will be interested in, or interested in learning. For instance, I did not know much about spiders at all before doing this project, but it got me thinking, got me engaged, and got me learning things I didn't know. And I'm definitely going to be pursuing some more learning after this. So if this inspires children, students of mine to do the same, that's great. That's what teaching is all about.